Okay, so lunch has arrived.
Oh.
We got some paneer, palak koftas.
Wow.
And this is supposed to be their speciality. It's Rajasthani mirchi kadhi. And we've got a lovely potato. Life without potato is not happening.
Absolutely. You know how many nutrients it has? People only talk about the bad things in potato. Give me a break.
I am also full of potato.
Completely. Me too. You know, nadush, as they say in Bengali.
Nadush. Oh, soft.
So potatoes are soft. They're like, our heart is like potato, yeah?
Absolutely. And malleable, and you can do anything with
We're
it.
not like coconuts. We're not hard at all. We're soft outside, soft within.
You're half Gujarati and half Maharashtrian.
That's right.
Both the communities have a very strong Diwali culture, don't they?
Absolutely.
A little different also.
Of course.
How is Diwali celebrated at home?
So there is lots of fried stuff. There's chakli. Then there is that save, the big one, which looks like noodles, but you know it's not as thin. And then you have chiuda, and then you have Shankarpara, which is the Maharashtrian part, and then you have those gugras. The what are they called? The Marathi that thing with karanjis.
Karanji.
All that is there, and then the sweets are there. And then we used to, as kids, go to Lukmanji Mithai Wala at Grant Road and have that big jalebi. Highlight of Diwali was the Lukmanji ka jalebi, which you got throughout the year, but eating it during Diwali and Gujarati New Year or during Padwa was icing. And the crackers and eating with those same dirty hands, you know, gunpowder. So, but with ganja in the blood, what will gunpowder do?
Nothing.
Little gifts.
Yeah.
Grandfather, grandmother. Oh, the touching the feet ka ritual. Later you realize what the touching the feet actually was. It was passing blessings. But then it was like the moment you get up, you get on packet. So you get khau and you get little money. So all that and clothes and.
Absolutely. But it was great. And I think what was most important during Diwali for us, and you can tell me also, is that the family came together after a long time.
Yes.
People who didn't meet for the whole year.
True.
That one day, whether it is Bhau Beej or whether it is.
Correct. They would all come home through the day.
Yeah.
And we would hug and we would sit and talk, and that's true.
We only talking, not eating. Come on.
Oh, it's phenomenal, this paneer.
It's not bad, no?
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I'm going to try some of this palak kofta. How did Saregama happen?
Professionally, I was already struggling. I had at that point, Antakshari had just finished. So Sonu, being a friend, because he was struggling, and
At the same time.
from Delhi, he had come down to Bombay, and so he told me, bro, at that point, I remember he calling me at home and saying, I'm hosting this thing called Saregama, and I want you to come here in the first episode. So I remember going there, and Adesh Srivastava was the judge. So I had very high temperature, and I went there, and I was supposed to sing. I sang whatever I needed to. The judge's choice round, I didn't remember one of the songs. I knew the tune, I didn't know the words. So I lost in the very first round. That happened, but Adesh caught me after the show. And he said, you have an original voice, my boy. If you work hard, you have what it takes. I said, thank you so much, sir. And I moved on. And it's funny, after a few years, he said, do you remember what I said?
So he gave you your first break?
No. Mr. Rahman gave me my first break.
Rahman gave you the first.
Yeah.
Now, when did Rahman hear you?
At Ranjit Barot studio. So Ranjit was instrumental in pushing me and my wife Gayatri to everybody, from A.R. Rahman sir to Vishal Bhartwaj to Anu Malik to Anand Raj Anand. So from there, Rahman sir gave me Oh Hamdam Sunyo Re from Sathiya.
Two lines.
Of course. Oh Hamdam Sunyo Re. Oh Janiya Sunyo Re. Boom boom. ओ जनिया शाम खिड़की से चोरी चोरी नंगे पाँव चांद आएगा.
This song went berserk.
Yeah.
And it's a song that even today.
Yeah. When I sing it at my concerts, people are like, they want an encore.
Yeah.
It's timeless.
You never looked back after the song, did you?
That's right. After this happened Murder, Sathiya. Happened Bhige Hot. And
which are two completely different songs.
Completely. And it's funny, you know, Mr. Malik, he called me when Sathiya released. And that was 2003. 2002 I sang it, 2003 it released. The World Cup was going on, Cricket World Cup. And I was sitting very close to our area. I used to love to go to a Chiliaka hotel and have the omelette pav over there and that cutting chai. So, and he suddenly called me and so we had graduated to cell phones. We were making a little money with jingles.
From the page.
Absolutely. And he said, you know, in his in his way, in his style. I said, sir, tell me. And he said, oh, humne suna hai, superb song, yeah. Fantastic song. But he said, the next hit after this that you will get, which will be even bigger, I will give you. I promise you, he said. So in my heart, I said, okay, great. But, you know, I know this industry. We all talk a lot.
Yeah.
To give him credit, or to, he did actually give me Bhigi Hot, but I didn't believe him at that point. And then Bhigi Hot happened, and you know, I was not the original singer. I wasn't the original singer for
You
Bhigi
weren't?
Hot. No.
It was meant to be something
I think
else.
Mukesh ji and Mahesh ji had thought of someone else.
Okay.
But Mr. Malik really fought for me. Believe me, he said, if Kunal, and I didn't know what he was believing in when he was standing by me. Because he suddenly called me on a Diwali day. It's funny. Exactly 10 years ago, it released in 2004.
On Diwali day.
On Lakshmi Pujan day, I was recording that song. He called me. He said, Kunal, come. And I said, sir, it's Diwali and it's the last day. My entire building is going into reconstruction. I'm never going to meet the entire family, you know, 3 generations. Can I come tomorrow? He said, don't make a mistake. This will change your life. And I went there and I was given half an hour to write the song, to learn it and sing it. So one take. And that moment, so after Hamdam was this. And so Mukesh ji came and said, what is happening? Why is this song getting recorded today? We were supposed to record another song with Sonu Nigam. What is going on? So he just said, sir, Mr. Malik said, from 27 years of my experience of being in the industry, he said, this is how I want this song to be sung. And he's done it. So I said, Mr. Malik, can I do one more take? He said, no. He said, you're challenging my 27 years of experience. I said, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. He said, just come here, you made history. So I said, wow.
So that song was done in one take.
One take.
On Diwali day.
On Diwali day. Like it is today.
This is a story we should remember. So, I'm sorry to have taken up your time. Please
Not at
eat,
all.
Please eat.
This
And we've got dessert coming after
oh
this
my
now.
God.
So, थोड़ा
So
खाते
you
हैं,
start with
dessert-
chocolates and you end with dessert.
भाई दिवाली है.
Nah, that's true.
मीठा तो होना चाहिए.
That's true.